Want to personalize your iPhone lock screen by adding your name? Here's a complete walkthrough using 2 different methods. First, we'll add your name to the bottom of the lock screen with the custom focus mode. Open Settings and tap Focus. Tap the plus icon and choose Custom. Under Name, type your name and select a text color that stands out against your wallpaper. You can even add an emoji if you'd like. Tap Done to save your new focus. Next, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, tap Focus, and choose the custom mode you just created. Lock and wake your iPhone, and you'll see your name displayed at the bottom of the screen. If you'd prefer your name at the top, you can use a free text widget app. Open the App Store and download Make It Big, or another text widget of your choice. Launch the widget app, enter your name, adjust the font and background colors, and tap Done. Now on your lock screen, press and hold the wallpaper until the Customize button appears, then tap Customize. Select Lock Screen, then tap Add Widgets. Find the text widget you just created and tap to add it beneath the clock. You can drag it into the perfect position before tapping Done. That's all there is to it. You've now got a lock screen that proudly displays your name exactly where you want it. If this guide helped you, please tap like, share your favorite personalization tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.